This isn't sci-fi, it's happening now. Vertical farms are turning concrete jungles into literal food factories. Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how this tech is revolutionizing farming, engineering, and even smart business investments. Hey everyone, welcome back to Insight Agricultural, where we explore the cutting edge of agriculture, technology, and innovation that's shaping our future. If you're into sustainable farming, mind-blowing machinery, or spotting the next big money-making opportunity, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into vertical farms, skyscraper-style food production systems that stack crops in layers inside controlled environments. These aren't your grandma's greenhouses. They use hydroponics, robotics, AI, and precision engineering to grow food with 98% less water and a tiny fraction of the land. By the end, you'll understand the key tools and systems making this possible, see real-world examples, and learn why this could be a game-changer for our food supply and your next investment idea. Back use of that. Subscribe my channel. Let's grow. Vertical farming stacks crops in multiple layers inside buildings, from repurposed warehouses to full skyscrapers. The idea gained traction from Columbia professor Dixon Despommier, who envisioned skyscrapers feeding entire city populations. 3A62A2. Instead of sprawling fields vulnerable to droughts, pests, and seasons, everything happens indoors under perfect control. This means fresh produce grown right where people live, slashing transport emissions, and delivering hyperlocal food. Let's break down the incredible engineering and machinery powering these farms. This is where it gets really satisfying. First up, the root of it all, pun intended. Most vertical farms ditch soil entirely. Hydroponics. Plants sit in nutrient-rich water solutions. Roots get exactly what they need, delivered efficiently.
It's clean, scalable, and uses up to 90 to 98% less water than traditional farming. 5254b6. Aeroponics. Even more advanced, roots hang in the air and get misted with nutrients. This oxygen-rich environment leads to faster growth and higher yields. Perfect for leafy greens and herbs. Watch those misting systems in action. So satisfying. Aquaponics. Combines fish farming with plants. Fish waste fertilizes the crops, and plants clean the water for the fish. Closed-loop perfection. These systems stack vertically in towers, shelves, or rotating A-frames like Singapore sky greens, maximizing every cubic foot. Sunlight? Who needs it? Custom LED grow lights deliver precise wavelengths for photosynthesis. Tunable reds and blues speed up growth, while full-spectrum options boost flavor and nutrition. Engineers optimize light recipes per crop, resulting in harvests in weeks instead of months. Energy-efficient LEDs have slashed costs dramatically, making large-scale operations viable. Inside these skyscrapers, it's a perfectly engineered ecosystem. HVAC systems maintain ideal temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels 24/7. Robotic arms and conveyor systems handle planting, monitoring, and harvesting, reducing labor while ensuring consistency. IoT sensors feed data to AI that adjusts everything in real time. One small glitch, the system self-corrects. This machinery precision is pure engineering porn for the tech fans watching. AI and big data are the brains. Sensors track pH, nutrients, moisture, and plant health. Machine learning predicts issues before they. Some farms use computer vision to pick ripe produce with robotic harvesters, like Dyson's impressive strawberry operations showing massive yield boosts. Companies like Aerofarms, Plenty, and Skygreens are leading the charge.
Concepts for mixed-use skyscrapers combine residences, offices, and farms. Business-wise, high upfront costs, but recurring revenue from premium local produce, lower transport losses, and year-round production. With urbanization and climate pressures, vertical farming is a booming market projected to grow rapidly. Investors and entrepreneurs, this is your Q1018E1. Of course, it's not all perfect. Energy costs for lighting and climate control are significant, and scaling to all crops, like grains, remains tricky. But innovations in renewables, better LEDs, and AI are tackling these fast. 4650 DC. The future? Taller skyscraper farms integrated into cities, feeding millions sustainably. Imagine rooftop extensions or entire buildings designed from the ground up as food producers. The satisfying visuals of abundant, perfect produce grown efficiently, that's the payoff. If this blew your mind and you want more deep dives into future AG tech, engineering marvels, and money-making opportunities in sustainable innovation, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Drop a comment, would you invest in vertical farming? What crop should we cover next? Like this video if you learned something new, and share it with fellow farming enthusiasts or tech lovers. Thanks for watching, let's build a greener, smarter future together. I'll see you in the next one.